Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. I am your Viprajesh again, and in this video I am here to bring you a news update about the rollout of the first Tata Altroz manufactured in Pune. Today, that is the date of 27th November, Wednesday, Tata Motors seems to have rolled out their first mainstream production Tata Altroz in its top end variant in its gold color. These two images clearly hint at how the actual gold color will look in real life lighting conditions, and also gives us an idea of the low and mean looking stance of the Tata Altroz's front fascia. The production spec Tata Altroz looks exactly similar to that of the Geneva edition car, and the most interesting detail is that just below the Tata logo on the front grille, there seems to be a black panel projected outward from the grille. This black panel is expected to house the front camera of the Tata Altroz. This also means that the Tata Altroz will be receiving 360-degree surround view camera as standard on the top end variant. However, it's definitely better to wait until December 3rd instead of making any assumptions. So, do let me know in the comment section below what do you think that black panel is and how do you like the front fascia of the production spec Tata Altroz. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video.